My name is Dan Chapman. I served as the Senior Project Manager for the Horseshoe project. I also served as the Corps of Engineer Coordination Task Leader. This project is the Texas Department of Transportation's replacement of Interstate 35E and Interstate 30 across the Dallas floodway system and the Mixmaster Interchange in downtown Dallas. It's about an $800 million project. This is a very complex project. We have to maintain all lanes of traffic through construction. The Mixmaster is about as complex an interchange as you get. And so we used integrated 3D design to work through our design to ensure we had all the appropriate clearances of the completed structure and that all the traffic movements could be maintained through construction.
I'm James Fry with HNTB. I'm a landscape architect, and I was fortunate enough to lead the guidelines development for the Horseshoe project. HNTB really had a thorough understanding. I mean, really to say that we're the best choice to lead this effort is an understatement. We have a thorough understanding of what NTTA is looking for with the Trinity Parkway that will eventually pass underneath the Horseshoe project and coexist with it. We developed the guidelines for NTTA. We did a full system-wide guideline for them, so we understand that. We also have a complete understanding of the Trinity River project dating back to 1999, where we helped lead the land use master plan for the city of Dallas. So we've been down working in and around the Trinity corridor project for well over 13 years. We sit on a number of boards. We're also very involved in our communities. Lots of us live in Dallas, so we understand what the goals are, not only from the city's perspective, but from TxDOT's perspective.
My name's Dwayne Milligan with the Texas Department of Transportation, and I'm the Director of Construction for the Dallas District. HNTB has worked with us throughout this project. We've had a lot of stakeholder input, a lot of engineering challenges to work through, and HNTB has helped us at every crossroads and helped us to think outside the box and find solutions to make things work for the stakeholders and for the engineering challenges that we face.
Addressing the structures was very important because it will be very visible from beneath. You know, this space that we're standing in right now, imagine this for what ultimately will become a magnificent 10,000-acre public park down beneath, filled with people. At a festival, big activities, lots of people here. We want it to be inviting, so it's very hospitable, but also attractive long-term.
TxDOT was most concerned about the ability to get the Corps approval on their timeline for the delivery of this project. I'm very pleased to say that at the same day that the design builder, PLC, got their notice to proceed to start with their design and construction, was the same day that TxDOT also got construction approval from the Corps of Engineers to proceed with construction. So those were two key milestones that happened on the same day, and I think HNTB was uniquely qualified and positioned in order to assist TxDOT in accomplishing that goal.
HNTB was the best selection for this project because they had a lot of local knowledge. They were especially knowledgeable about the Corps of Engineers and the levees, as this project crosses the levee in 4 different locations. So they were instrumental in making this project successful with that knowledge.
I'd say one of the things that I'm most proud of is the fact that we were able to build consensus on such a large project and develop a direction that everybody was happy with. It was quite an achievement. The fact that it's under construction and that it moved into the design build process with limited to no changes in our guidelines direction is really impressive to me and impressive to us as a team.
I'm most proud that we were able to develop a process for the Corps that was acceptable to them, something that made it very efficient for the design builder and TxDOT to move through the subsequent design build submittals and to continue and maintain that approval with the Corps. It's really gone really better than expected in the coordination with the Corps of Engineers and the Dallas Flood Control District. So I'm very proud to really help TxDOT navigate through that process. It was really an unknown when we started out, and it couldn't have been more successful.